Good evening, ma'am. This is Mr. Pre-Prophet Delio B. Scream 3F. And this is my activity. Gratuitous contract. Gratuitous contract is an agreement when one party promises to provide something of value to the other party without receiving anything in return. Example, Alice promises to give Bob 100 pesos as a gift next month. These promises create a gratuitous contract because Alex expects nothing in return in Bob. Gratuitous disposition. On the other hand, typically refers to the transfer or the assignment of property or rights without any payment or consideration. This term is obtained used in the context of wills, trust, and estate planning, where someone transfer property to another person and entity out of benevolence. Example is Mary decide to transfer the ownership of her house to her brother Bob. This is a gratuitous disposition because her brother does not need to provide any compensation to her sister Mary for the house. Mortgages is a type of a loan used to purchase or maintain a home, lot of land, or the other times, or the store. The borrower agrees to pay the lender over time. Typically, the series of the regular payments that are divided into the principal and interest. The property then serves as a collateral to secure the loan. Power of attorney is legal authorization to designate the person to make a decision about another person's property, finances, or medical care. Summons. Criminal matters is a legal document that means you must attend the court and the project enough that have date and time to answer the criminal accusation. The example of summon kanang kuan ma'am. Nanumbag ka dayon pada ang kagsumon. Munang moadto ka dito sa kuan. Munang imo nang atubangon dito o kung sagay kuan. Appearance notice is an official document telling a person they have to appear in the court in the specific time and place to respond in a criminal charge. And appearance notice is given to someone who is not yet charged in a crime. It says what offense of the person has to respond to, and the time and the place of their first appearance in the court. Example is kuan ma'am kanang overspeeding. And sampina sa legal documents that command a person or an entity to testify as a witness at a specified time and place. specified time and place. This is a legal proceeding. Subpoenas are time sensitive when court impose deadlines. Sample kanang mo witness ka ma'am then padalan kag subpoena nga kinahanglan ka mo adto dito sa court ug mo adto ka sa court para mo witness. Search warrant is a warrant signed by the judge or magistrate authorizing a law enforcement officer to conduct a search on a certain person, specified place to automobile, criminal evidence.